Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use advanced prompts in Hailuo AI to get more detailed and controlled AI video results. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Start with a clear idea of the scene you want to create. With advanced prompting, don't just describe the main subject. Add details about the subject's appearance, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, mood, and visual style. For example, instead of writing "a woman walking in a city," you can describe a young woman wearing a black coat, walking slowly through a rainy city street at night, with neon reflections. Soft cinematic lighting, realistic movement, and a smooth camera tracking shot. You can also control the camera by describing movements such as a slow push-in, tracking shot, gentle pan, or close-up. Try to organize your prompt logically. Start with the subject, then describe the action, environment, lighting, camera, and overall style. Avoid adding too many conflicting instructions. If you want more control, change one part of the prompt at a time and compare the results. Now generate the video and preview it carefully. Check whether Hailuo AI followed the important details and whether the motion looks natural. If something is wrong, identify the specific problem and adjust that